Welcome to our channel Programming in Telugu. As most of you know that we are running a 30-day bootcamp on Python which is exclusively available in Telugu. So as a part of that, we are bringing you an exclusive speaker session with Arka, a seasoned senior developer at Atlassian. But this time the focus isn't on code but on your career path. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned programmer, Arka is here to answer your burning questions and guide you towards success. Interactive session. So here you can get these 4 important points and cover hidden career opportunities in the tech industry beyond just coding roles. Learn essential skills that go beyond technical knowledge like communication, teamwork, and personal branding. Gain insights into the hiring process at leading tech companies like Atlassian. He has worked before at Swiggy and Myntra too. Get personalized advice on your career goals and how to achieve them. And the best part is, the session is absolutely free. That's right, you get expert career guidance from Arka, a senior developer and successful developer at no cost. I would request you not to miss this chance and get inspired by Arka's journey and fuel your own ambitions. Gain the confidence to take charge of your career and land your dream job. Calendars, this exclusive session is happening on 29th Feb at 7 pm to 8 pm on our channel Programming in Telugu.